We will be recreating in today's video Hindash purple eye makeup look. So if ever you want to know how I created this beautiful look and on which model he did it, then continue watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into this little makeup tutorial in right away. Hello beauties! Yes, I know I have a messy bun. My hair is still wet. It doesn't want to dry off. For some reason, it's really humid. So we're gonna have to deal with the messy bun and the little hair that is coming out in the back. But today I am excited to do this simple, really nice makeup look that is inspired by Hindash, which he posted a video on his YouTube channel. So if you want to go check out the video, his YouTube channel will be listed down below, of course. And I'm gonna be recreating his makeup look, which is lavender purple with a little bit of peach, summery, and I just love his work. I always love his work. So we're gonna do this and we will concentrate on the eyes today, but I still want to show you how I do my base and everything. So I'm gonna be walking you through how I do my base, like inspired by the makeup look that you see right here. Oh my god, this look is absolutely stunning. I love the purple, everything. I'm gonna walk you through it. It's gonna be fast forwarded and very quickly, which I am excited to show you. And I am recording also with a new SD card, so I hope that it's gonna come up crisp and nice. So let me tell you, tell me if it looks good or if it looks weird. All right, so let's get into it right now. We will start with the Tatcha primer, spreading it throughout the face and making sure that it gets absorbed all the way through into your skin. And of course, this is the base for the foundation that we will take, which is the Match Master SPS 15 from MAC Cosmetics, and we will blend this out into the skin. And of course, we will add 2 different concealers to the face for the rest of the base, which will be the 24-hour smooth wear concealer on the face and also on the sides, the HD lifting concealer for contouring a little bit, still staying very natural. And then what we will do next is we will take the Milk Makeup Lip Plus Cheeks blush and then putting it on our cheeks softly, and finally we will set the face with the e.l.f. under eye powder and the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. Also, for the rest of the face, putting some blush, because the blush, there's a lot of blush, a lot of bronzer. So we will be putting some blush with the Natasha Denona Diamond Blush Palette and the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula on the side, as well as the highlight, which will look absolutely stunning from the Natasha Denona Diamond Blush Palette. Again, putting the cream base and putting the highlighter on top of it afterwards, which is amazing. And then we will do the brows at the end, being very soft with the micro brow pencil from NYX Cosmetics, which is my all-time favorite micro brow pencil, of course, shaping the eyebrow, making sure they are very nice. Girl, this face is done, and I did some thick eyebrows because the model is just so stunning and she had thick eyebrows. So we will stick to the natural shape, thick eyebrows, and that's why I went for the micro brow pencil, which looks absolutely amazing. So now before we get to the eyes and the rest of the face, like the lips, well, we need to put some tape because Hindash has a technique that is so wonderful. It is so perfect, so flawless, and me, well, I need to work on it, right? So I'm just gonna be using some tape to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere but where I want it to go, which, let me tell you, the model, her eyes, here, look at this. This is stunning, okay? And me, well, myself. Right, this is applied, then I'm gonna be applying the other one to make sure that this is prepped and primed for this beautiful eye look, which I hope that it will turn out amazing. Well, it's not gonna be as good as Hindash, but I will be trying. I think these look pretty similar, which is very important, even though we all know that nothing is pretty similar. Okay, I'm gonna be applying the P. Louise base on top of my eye just to make sure that this base is set. And I want to say first that I don't have the same product as Hindash, so maybe you're gonna go see his video, you're gonna be like, oh my god, she's not using the same products. I do not have a base, a purple base for the purple eyeshadow. He likes to use different eye bases, eye primers, and everything. So I'm gonna be using everything that I have. We will apply the base real quick. All right, so this is applied, and we need literally like 3 shades from this palette, which is mind-blowing to me for the makeup look that it's gonna go at. So the 3 shade, of course, that we will take is the shade Tropicana, Fuego, and Canvas. Taking the first shade, which will be the shade Tropicana, this purple right here, which looks absolutely amazing for this palette. Oh my god, so pigmented. I'm gonna be tapping off the excess, and of course I will start with this eye right here so we can see it properly. And the way that it is done is he does like a V motion. Amazing, especially for people with hooded eyes. So you just go with the pigment into a straight manner, also down here. And then we're starting to shape a little bit. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the pigment, we're gonna build it up just because I want to start very softly, and then we bring it all the way to the middle of the eye. So right in the middle, we will stop the purple shade. So let's do this. And then we build up the color the most as you can. Might have it a little bit more rounded just because of my eyes. I do have more eye space than what she has, so it might look a little bit different on my eyes, but I am trying to adapt it to the shape that I have. And then as you can see, I'm placing the pigment. It is thick, and then it goes into a smaller type of thing, and as you can see with the line that is here, it's gonna make my eye open and it's gonna look absolutely beautiful. I'm trying to do it as what Hindash would do it. Of course, I'm not Hindash. Hindash is like a makeup god or something. So we're gonna try to mimic what he does. I don't have the video. I am just recreating a little bit what he does, and stunning. Now what we'll do is I'm going to be blending the base where it is creasing, just to make sure that it's not creasing and it looks good. Don't worry, we'll add more pigment, of course. It's just because I want to set it before it goes into another shape. So we will take the shade Canvas, which is this one right here, and it is a very light, I would say beige type of color, and this is the perfect color for my eyes. And I'm trying to talk, concentrate, and it is hard to do all of these things at once. And then this will really enhance the eye. I'm gonna bring it like this and then bring it into the V motion that we did to enhance the shade. So that's another thing that you can take, is you take back that shade and you make sure that it enhances. Ooh! Do you see this? This is lifted. Shook. We top off all the excess, we remove all the product that we have on our brush, and then we go slightly over to make sure that we blend this and that it's not too harsh on top. All right, so taking the other black fluffy brush, going into Fuego, tapping off a lot of the excess because we want to make sure that it's not too much. I will be putting it right here where we don't have any eyeshadow, and this will contrast with the shade that we just put, and it's gonna look really, really beautiful. It's gonna contour the eye as well, so I'm bringing it a little bit more up, because since my eyes are hooded, again, I want to create an illusion where my eyes are more open. So that's why I bring it really far in the inside right here, and then I bring it up the way here. And I make sure that it is blended here where the eyebrows end. So I'm blending it very softly to create a really nice transition. And then I add back a little bit of the shade Fuego, making sure that this shade is not too pigmented, but that it will create And I am looking at her picture. When I look at it, there's really nothing under her brow right here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring it all the way to the brow and right here. And then that is where the purple starts. So that means if I take the other brush, which is somewhere here, I take the purple, and where the purple starts, it is where the eyebrow here gets open. I'm doing it a little bit differently than what she has because my eye shape is different. My eyebrows are not as, I would say, long. They have more of a rounded shape. So for me to really make sure that it is there, I do have to bring it all the way over there and to make it work like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing the other eye off camera, and then I will be right back for the under eye and the rest of the makeup look. All right, so this is done. What do you think so far? I think it looks absolutely like I like it so much that I'm losing my words. Okay, this thing. Oh my god. So before we remove this, what we will do is I'm going to be applying the Point Made 24-hour liquid eyeliner. So I'm going to be applying this really quickly into a cat eye-like manner. All right, so we let this dry, and it's just a really small, thin liner that really gonna enhance everything. And we want to keep it very simple for the fact that the model has a very thin and long liner that elongate, or if that's how you say it, her eyes. And it is time to remove this thing. So I go back with this and I try to fix the mistake that I did, but sometimes it works. Sometimes I do have to add more thing, but for now, I think it's gonna look pretty nice. What we'll do is I'm gonna be applying a little bit of the shade Fuego right under the eye, and it's gonna add some dimension to the eyes, which is extremely important, especially for Hindash. So I'm gonna go back into the palette, taking the shade Fuego, that shade that we took earlier, which is this one right here. And let's put this under the eye where there's no colors. There is multiple part left about this makeup look. So one of the first that I didn't do is, of course, there is an inner liner to really elongate the eye, like I said, but it does put a little bit of highlighter. So I'm going to be taking this highlighter, which is the e.l.f. Press Highlighter in White Pearl. And this one I'm going to be putting in the inner corner really to brighten up the eye. And I'm going to bring it on the eyelid. So when the light hits the lid looks more open, the eye looks bigger by itself, and it's going to look really, really pretty. I am telling you this, I'm trying to do the same thing, which is hard, okay? And the highlighter that she has is very soft, so that's why I'm using that one. It's a very natural highlight. The reason why it's popping, it's because it's edited. The camera is like literally amazing, and yeah. And then I add my own touch to it because why not? And then now that this is more open, brighter, I will take back the 24-hour Point Made eyeliner from Patrick Starrr One Size Beauty, and I'm gonna create the wing liner from the inside. And the trick is to have your eye open and to follow your natural line that is already there. And this is the eyeliner placed. Oh my god, my eyes look so lifted, literally so lifted. And in the video she didn't have any false lashes. I know in the pictures it looks like it. Her lashes are just literally amazing. So we're gonna try to do it without the lashes. We're gonna stay with our natural, beautiful long lashes, and I'm gonna be applying 2 mascara, trying to recreate what she has, of course, for how this eye look is going, because oh my god, if you like this look so far, tell me, because this is amazing. So I'm gonna be going into the MAC False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara, which is I think my favorite, even though this is really expensive. But this mascara puts your lashes to a whole other level, especially in terms of length. Looks really beautiful. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Velvet Noir mascara from Marc Jacobs and place it on top for some extreme volume. I never tried this combination before, so this is getting intense. There's only one thing left, and it is the lips. So the combination of the lips that I'm gonna take is the MAC. So I'm gonna go into MAC because I love MAC, and Hindash loves MAC as well. He had a collection and I didn't get my hands on it, unfortunately. I'm gonna take the MAC Boldly Bare for the lips, which will look extremely beautiful with the lip, and that's around the same shade that he took for the lips. Next thing we will put on our lips is the MAC shade in Reverence, just to put something lighter in on my lips so it looks absolutely nice and highlighted, and my lips will look bigger. And then for the last and final step, oh my god, we will be applying the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fussy, which is, I think it's the shade that he put on the model. And that is one thing that I got right from this entire makeup look. So I'm going to be applying this on top. Usually he uses a lip brush, but I don't have one, so I'm going to be applying it right on top. Right, so this is the final makeup look. Tell me what you think. The only thing I need to do is to put my hair down looking really sexy and to put some setting spray. So I'm going to be spritzing my face with some Fix Plus. Girl, we need to set this face because this makeup look is bomb, okay? I love this makeup. And of course, she has dark hair. I don't have that much of dark hair, so this is me and this is the model. Tell me if I got it or I'm just way off. So tell me, because I really want to know what you think about the makeup look that I created and how you think I did. So that is the makeup look for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I'm really sorry about this late update, this late video. I really had a lot of things to do today, and tomorrow the makeup look will be up way earlier than that, and that's what it is. Tell me down below if you want me to recreate more makeup looks from other makeup artists, and if you have any suggestions, make sure to tell me down below who you want me to recreate makeup looks from, because I really love recreating and seeing other people, other makeup artists, their talent and what they specialize in as well. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, and if you don't want to miss any videos, again, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll be notified every single time that I post one. So I really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.